See that the zip tie has to go through that little hole. But I don't. Oh. Okay, so I'm just like tightening this, but I'm gonna put the phone down and try it. Okay, so I got it to go through this, but it's not secured. It's still pretty loose, but that's because, you know, it's not designed to be cut in half. So this should help. Hi everyone, so the zip tie was a fail. So I decided to use a paper clip, those really large paper clips. Let's see how it works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick the paper clip through here. Through here. I'm just gonna take my hands in. Oh shoot. So I'm pulling on it and I'm pulling a lot of weight. Okay. So it's not breaking. There, as you can see, it worked. So not everybody has a zip tie lying around. And the zip tie that I have didn't fit into that hole. I'll pull it again. Oh yeah, it's sturdy. So it worked, yay! So if you like what you've seen so far, check out my other videos and subscribe for more.